Have you ever needed to make a quick change to a PDF, but you didn't have the source file, nor did you want to risk the formatting by converting to that file type and then back to the PDF again? Hi, I'm Conrad Presch. I'm a product marketing manager here at Apryse, and today I'm going to walk you through our PDF content editing demo as part of our WebViewer SDK. First, you need to start with a document that has some errors in it. Well, here we have the Apryse government ebook, and unfortunately, it looks like we have a couple of errors. It seems that the main title is misaligned from the subtitle, and the word document has a typo in it. Unfortunately, I don't have the source file, nor am I going to wait around for someone else to fix it. But luckily, I'm using Apryse WebViewer, which means I can make the edits directly within the PDF. By entering the edit text mode, all blocks of text and images within my PDF become selectable objects surrounded by these dashed blue bounding boxes. Now I can simply click, drag, drop, and the title is exactly where it needs to be. I can also change the dimensions of the bounding box, which will then reflow the paragraph as intended. Now I'm going to click in and make the edit so we no longer have a typo. On the right-hand panel, we have all of the default stylings and tools that would come with any word processor that you're familiar with. I can change the font size, the different rich text stylings, the paragraph alignment, the hyperlink, and the color of the text. In recent versions of WebViewer, we added the strikeout option and the copy custom color button to the color palette. Previously, you could add a custom color by clicking here and adding the hex code or the RGB values of the branded color you're looking for. Now I can simply select text with our branded color here, the Apryse orange, click the Add to Custom Colors button, and it's on the palette, and I can change it in the subtitle. And of course, we added the much anticipated undo redo functionality, so now I can simply press Ctrl+C and watch as my document goes back to its original state. Thanks for watching today's demo. If you're interested in trying PDF content editing out yourself, or what it would feel like within your own application, there'll be links to both the demo as well as the documentation in the description below this video.